Okay, so now we're going to do volume of pyramids. Now remember that volume of pyramids is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. But you just need to replace that B with whatever formula for the base it is. I think my pen's running out. Let me change that. Okay, so here we go. We have a rectangular pyramid. This is the height, right? We have length and width. So volume is the area of the base is length times width. Then you have the height, and we're going to divide by 3. So we're going to have 9 times 12 times 6, all divided by 3. Okay, so our volume is 216 kilometers cubed. Okay, so now we are looking at a triangular pyramid. Again, this is my height. Now this and this, these two numbers here, if I were to pull out that triangle, this is a 6 and this is an 8. That is the triangle base. This is the triangle height. Right? I don't need the hypotenuse. Okay, it is 10, but I don't need it because I'm going to use the base and the height. So volume is, we have the area of our base times the 3-dimensional height divided by 3. Volume is, we have a 6 times an 8 divided by 2, and then our 3-dimensional height is 9. Now you can divide all of that by 3, or you could multiply it by 1/3. So I can put 6 times 8 divided by 2, and then multiply that by 9. That will give me 216, divide that by 3. And my volume will be 72 centimeters cubed. Okay, so the next one is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of sides is 5. The side length is indeed 5 itself. So my perimeter is N times S. So that's 5 times 5, which is 25 for my perimeter. The 3 here is the apothem. Yay, it was given to us and we don't need trig. And then you can see here that this is our 3-dimensional height. Okay, so volume is the area of my base times my 3-dimensional height, and I have to divide all of that by 3. So we're going to have my apothem of 3, my perimeter of 25, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. Then I need my 3-dimensional height, and all of that gets divided by 3. Okay, so let's go figure out what this is. 3 times 25 divided by 2, and then multiply that by 73. So I'm going to get I'm going to get 2737.5, and then I have to divide that by 3. So my answer is 912.5 feet cubed. Okay. All right, continuing on with our pyramids, we have a prism, and then we have a pyramid, and we're going to add them together since they're on top of each other. So for my prism, the area of my base, okay, times my height, so that's 15 times 15 times 10. So So 15 squared times 10 is 2,250. That's just the prism. Now the pyramid is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So I still have the 15 times 15. The three-dimensional height is 8. Divide that by 3. Okay. So 15 squared times 8, and we're going to divide that by 3. So we get 600. That's for my pyramid. So these two added together, okay, prism plus the pyramid, and I will get 2,850 inches cubed. Okay, final one for pyramids. It says find the height. It's a rectangular pyramid. It has a length of 6, it has a width of 10, and it has a volume. So it is a pyramid. So length times width times height divided by 3 is my formula. The volume is 220. The length is 6, the width is 10, the height I do not know, all divided by 3. I'm going to multiply each side by 3. So 660 equals 60 H, okay? We're going to divide by 60, all right, because those are gone. This becomes your 660. Then I divide here. I get H should be 10. Let me double check because I'm not feeling real. Nope, it's 11. Okay, so my height is 11 meters. Okay, I'm glad I double checked. It's been a long day. All right, that's the end of this video, and I will do a third one for volume of cones.